for Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat. Kaba ars ni lenter belapelong da Nongstoiñ College. Ringkat kajing ito ilang bagkamay Bharat Kendra Nongstoiñ. Kalakut no hakalay pui terik na itong aja penriu ha Nongstoiñ College. Hakabala sakhi ya kajing shimbenta shitham nagi samla pulie kiba mikmat nagi school bagi college baper hakaleng kasar Nongstoiñ. Bakani program kalong ru kum karensan banyala persya yujing di penbuat kum udrugs lingba ki jingye ko baper. Hakani program ke Assistant Commissioner ke CNN Sangma ka along kum ka kongsan ringkat ka jingye dan langru u Deputy Director kamay Bharat Kendra Nongstoiñ ukie Jetwani Principal ka Nongstoiñ College ka Dr. Mrs. Ai Mautho kidang hikay bat kiwe.
responsible and capable citizens, and our youth are the center of that vision. As you can see, there are so many youth, large population of youth in our country, and even in our district, I can see like so many youths and students in this room also. So this youth today will shape the future of our nation. Therefore, it is important to protect the health And the potential of young people is not only a social responsibility, but it is also the investment for our nation. So substance abuse, it is a serious challenge because it can affect the individual, it can affect your family relationships, it can affect yourself, your physical and mental well-being, and also in a wider perspective, it can affect the community as well. What may begin as a curiosity, maybe a simple experiment, or maybe a peer pressure, can seriously affect a person's future. Therefore, it is important to address this issue through awareness, through prevention, through treatment, and through this rehabilitation. We must also be firm against those involved in illegal supply and this trafficking of drugs. So I can see like everyone present here, like we all are involved, and we all have a pretty important role in having this awareness and prevention of this kind of abuse. This college life is a period of freedom, and we get to experience new things. But we must also know that it is also a time when we make right choices for our future life. We must never allow a peer pressure or a simple decision to compromise the future which we work so hard for. Real confidence is not only about following the crowd, but sometimes it is simply having the courage to say no. And if you find someone struggling with substance abuse, do not simply isolate or ignore that person. Instead, you must encourage them to get professional help. And at the same time, let us also create a positive alternative for our youth through sports, through cultural activities, through volunteer work, and other things. The Nasha, Mukt, Yuva is therefore not just a young person who stays away from drugs. It also represents a generation which is healthy, which is confident, and is determined to contribute something to the society. So before I conclude, I would urge all of you to make a conscious choice to choose your health over your education, over addiction, purpose over peer pressure, and your future over temporary temptation. So thank you. Let us all create healthier, younger, and stronger communities for our nation. Thank you.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon hauput usam hapedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem artali ki jila hakabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya kate ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor balapau perthai hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category kaju ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artali ki jila menta kisdang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan